Today, we're playing Build a Boat. Today, we're gonna test out my RC camera. This is the camera, and this is how it works. If you are on computer, click F, and you will be teleported to the camera. So, on mobile, you click this red particle, or I don't know what to call it. Click it, and this happens. Wow! Wow! Yeah, Papa. Yeah, Papa. And if we go down here, you can actually see the camera we're looking at. So if somebody is controlling it, the person that clicks this can see what the person is controlling. Yes. And they're smarty pants.
Yeah, I'm smart.
Yeah, we are smarty. And if I click the button, and if I click the button, I can click the button. How do I click the button?
Click the button.
And you see, white, yes. And I am a royal member. Royal member. Wait a minute. Something ain't right. Wait, what is this? Something is right over here. The camera is not connected! Oh, wow! Who is controlling? I'm not that heavy! I'm not that heavy! Wait, let's do it again. I'm not heavy! There. See, I'm not that heavy.
I'm not that heavy.
I'm not heavy, right?
I'm not heavy.
Not heavy, right? Let me just.
Just watching.
I don't know. It's just a camera. But I can zoom in.
Is it just watching?
It works.
Watching
see
in
myself?
the camera.
Where is myself?
It's
Okay. Okay, now it's time to show you guys how to build this very quick. Get marble, any block type, make sure it's both beautiful. Perfecto. Get a hinge. Hello,